everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. This video is focused on one application of Ampere's circuital law from magnetic effects of current for class 12th. We will find magnetic field due to infinite long straight conductor carrying current. So what we do? We consider an infinite long straight conductor which is carrying current I as shown. Now, according to right-hand rule, we can find direction of magnetic field around this wire. We imagine to hold the wire in right hand in such a way that thumb is in the direction of current. Here current is in upward direction, so thumb is in upward direction. वायर को इस तरह से इमेजिन करें कि हमने राइट हैंड में होल्ड किया है कि जो हमारा थंब है वो करंट की डायरेक्शन में है. Then the direction in which fingers curl around the wire will be direction of magnetic field. Now what happens here? In this process, what we find, the field lines are making concentric circle around this wire. So we consider a closed circular loop around this wire, and wire is at the center of the loop. The radius of the loop is r. It is equal to distance of point P from the wire where we want to find magnetic field. जिस point पे हमने field find out करना है, उतने distance के equal हम एक closed circular loop इस wire के around ले लेते हैं और wire जो है उस loop के center पे मानी जाएगी. We divide whole closed loop into small segments each of length dl. तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक ऐसा segment dl ले लेते हैं, AB. If I want to find field at point P, then I will draw tangent at this point and I will get direction of field line. What we find? Flux density and line segment having length dl, both are in same direction. So what we do? We use Ampere's circuital law. Left hand side is B dot dl. We will consider one segment AB. For that, angle between vector B and dl are, it is 0 degree. So B dl cos 0 degree and answer will be B dl. If I have to consider for the whole loop, then I will integrate. क्योंकि इस loop के सभी segments को जोड़ दें तो एक continuous loop मिलेगी और continuous summation में हम integration लेते हैं. So if I integrate B dot dl, what I get? B dl cos 0 degree integration over the closed loop. अब यहाँ पे limit put करनी पड़ेगी because I divided this loop and length of this loop is equal to circumference. Circumference क्या होगा? 2 pi r. तो मैंने अगर इसको 0 point माना तो 0 से मैं दोबारा 2 pi r पे आ गई. तो मेरी लिमिट क्या बनेगी यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन की 0 to 2 pi r. B is field which is constant. तो ये इंटीग्रेशन से बाहर आ जाएगा. अंदर क्या बचेगा? 1 की इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू L. वो क्या होगी? L. अब इस L में लिमिट्स पुट करेंगे 0 to 2 pi r. फर्स्ट अपर लिमिट विल कम. तो अपर लिमिट इज 2 pi r एंड लोअर लिमिट इज 0. दोनों के बीच में साइन क्या रहेगा? नेगेटिव. सो व्हाट आई गेट? B into 2 pi r. तो ये जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है B dot dl integration over the closed loop comes out to be B into 2 pi r. And according to Ampere's circuital law, this is equal to mu naught times current threading the loop. अब यहाँ देखिए इस लूप में से एक बार करंट थ्रेड कर रहे हैं. So it is mu naught times I. So I will solve it further. This B will be mu naught I by 2 pi r. So what I find? B is directly proportional to I and inversely proportional to distance of point P from the center of the loop, or you can say from the wire. It implies that field at every point on the circle of radius r with the wire along the axis is same in magnitude. तो इस सर्कल के ऊपर हर पॉइंट पे जो फील्ड है जिसमें हमने वायर को कहाँ लिया along the axis, वो क्या रहेगा? Same in magnitude. And this magnetic field possesses cylindrical symmetry. The field that normally can depend upon 3 coordinates will depend only upon r. अब ये जो फील्ड है एक्चुअली क्या है? B equal to mu naught I by 2 pi r, and this field is having direction at every point along the tangent drawn at that point. So the field direction at any point on this circle is tangential to it. And field lines, these will be in the shape of concentric circle around the conductor carrying current. And this expression mu naught I by 2 pi r, it provides theoretical justification to Oersted experiments. जो उसने experiments किए थे उसकी theoretical justification देता है ये relation. सबसे important, सबसे interesting point. Although the wire is infinite, yet field due to it at non-zero distance is not infinite. वायर तो इनफाइनाइट लेंथ की है जिसमें करंट आई फ्लो कर रहा है, लेकिन इस वायर की वजह से किसी पॉइंट पे फील्ड जिसका डिस्टेंस नॉन जीरो है इस वायर से, इनफाइनाइट नहीं है. आप चेक कीजिए, B इज म्यू नॉट I बाय 2 पाई r. ये फील्ड कब इनफाइनाइट होगा? अगर r जीरो हो जाए. तो इसका मतलब this field will be infinite if this point P is very close to wire. इस वायर के ऊपर अगर ये पॉइंट P आ जाए तो ये फील्ड इनफाइनाइट होगा. अदरवाइज इनफाइनाइट वायर की वजह से नॉन जीरो डिस्टेंस पे फील्ड इनफाइनाइट नहीं है. एंड फील्ड इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू करंट, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू distance from infinite long current wire. Now, already we have explained that we can find the value by formula mu naught I by 2 pi r. We can also find direction by right hand rule. How? We will imagine to hold the wire in such a way that thumb is in the direction of current and the direction in which fingers will curl around the wire will be the direction of magnetic field. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.